previously on. What is it previously on? Oh, yeah, previously on. If you want to join my Tiger Clan song, this part is part 2. But I'm not doing it. I'm just saying it's part of it because I didn't get to finish it. Okay, here we go. Da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 na. Hey 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 you. I'm starting with the song. Do you wanna join my clan? It's called Tiger. It's a capital T, lowercase I, capital G, lowercase E, capital R. Then you put a dash. C. What do you want your name to be? Yeah. Better make sure it is Tiger. Better make sure it's Tiger. I'm telling you right now, it's better make sure it's Tiger. If you wanna join my clan, just please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to me. Let me guess. Hack? Hell yeah. What do you think? I'm not? Hell no. Cause. And how do you know I got? Who killed me? It's a hack. I got a care pack. Yeah, but I got the. It's a hack. Sorry. There's plenty of facts going in my mind. No. And how would you know I got 2 kills? By the way, I can't do the hack again for some reason. I'm working on it, but. Oh yeah, you. If I was gonna get Ava, but no. What the heck? Are you kidding me, Pablo? Oh, by the way, that thing wasn't a hack. It was called a care package. I got it from my teammates. Ha ha ha. You got this. Oh, yeah. You got this, boy. I mean, why?
Kan, si ikut.
Huh?
Ei, ama včeraj kupuka, tako da smo tudi skrijeni. Invece tu c'è anche ti non devi stare zitti? Ne, perché ja sam ina so che ci sono ciufava. Na computer via. Hoje ti ne.
If you want to join my clan. What? If you wanna join my clan, it's called Tiger. Tiger, Tiger. T, capital T, lowercase I, capital G, lowercase E, capital R. My, thing, my online name is called Tiger Fake. Tiger Fake. Let me spell the whole thing for you. Capital T, lowercase I, capital G, lowercase E, capital R dash, capital F, capital A, capital. I forgot it. Who's gonna derank me? Oh, be that way. But my clan needs this. But my clan needs this. Do you wanna be my clan? Yeah, you. Okay, okay. Just add me as a friend. I said it a lot of times now. Just ignore it. Yes, get out of my face, 13. Wait, does anyone want to join my? Does anyone want to join my clan? It's called Tiger. Here's the commando. Hello. Here's the commando. Hello. Why? Do you look trick shots? Do you look quick scopes? Wait, are you on my team? My name is Tiger Fake. No, I mean, I'm talking about my online name. My real name isn't Tiger Fake. You sniped me. He also have an Xbox. You think I can't add you guys as friends? Damn, I gotta hear all the people. Final technical edition! Yeah. Sorry if I'm singing the song. Yeah, I just need it for my clan. So, like I was saying before, join the Tiger Clan. It's called capital T, lowercase r, capital G, lowercase e, capital R, dash, then whatever your name wants to be. Okay? You got me? Okay. And I'll go on this video every day, and make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you leave a comment, okay? And now I'm just gonna play to see, cause for the YouTube. Okay.